Hi everyone, this video is part of the training for the perioperative anticoagulant use for surgery evaluation, virtual registry, also known as a pause virtual study. In this video, I will be showing you how the REDCap scheduling system works and how to schedule a participant in REDCap. Scheduling can be used to see different milestones of a patient on your calendar. To start, on the left-hand side of your screen, you can click Scheduling. Over here, you can either add a new record here, but we would suggest that you add and edit records through this link over here. So instead, you can choose an existing unscheduled participant to create a schedule for. So in this case, let's pick participant ID number 7. For the start date over here, you need to make sure that you would put in the surgery date and not the date of the screening or the date of consent, or else the schedule will be incorrect. So for example, let's say this patient had their surgery on this date. We can now go ahead and click Generate Schedule. When you do that, a projected schedule will appear. Now you will need to ensure that all the dates are correct. You can click on the red X to delete a time point that you don't want to schedule. So for example, you can remove the enrollment and data entry date. Note that some days may come up as a Saturday or Sunday. Feel free to change these dates to the next business day. When you're happy, you can click Create Schedule, and we would see that the schedule was successfully created, as it shows at the top. To check the schedule of milestones or dates for this participant, this will appear in your calendar. For this, as you can see, you would go to the Calendar tool under Applications, and the calendar for your site should appear, and it would show you that anything that you scheduled for the record ID, the day, the specific scheduled date is for, and the hospital that is assigned to this participant. If you would like to add other items to the calendar that are important to you and more so site specific, you can also do that. You can do that by clicking on the plus new button over here for any date, and then you can add a calendar event like such. Now, as you can see, this would also show up on your calendar as well. This brings us to the end of this video on scheduling participants in REDCap. Following this, we will also be providing you with more training videos on some additional aspects such as responding to queries. Thank you for listening, and we hope this helps.